I always start with a rough sketch on paper because I am not good at doing it on the phone. Just ignore this part. Here I took a pic of the sketch and then imported it on Ibis Paint. Lower the opacity of the layer and then start the line art on new layer. The lines should be clean and sharp. So here I was struggling a lot because I couldn't get the pose to look right. After all the struggle, here comes the coloring. I already had the colors chosen because I was drawing my main character. You can see other artist tutorials. I will add them in description. Drawing the shine on my character. In order to do that, you have to find where the light is coming from. that my character is coming from the top. I set it on edge so it will pop more. Drawing the lips, one different, the other different. Touching everything up. Here I was trying to make a background myself, but failed. Then I just changed it to a background from the other. And here we are all done. Rate my drawing from 1 to 10.